find one little moment or segment where you look into yourself and say, you know, say this not right, though.
No, me I live my best life because I think so me a big woman.
Okay. Alright.
And then you should never have a parent just say no.
Never have a guidance right
Never
there.
have nobody was strong enough for her to say that wrong and you know.
It was normal to me. Remember, so when we are grew up, you hear the pick them and say them don't want a school boy, a big man, we want. So even in a summer, we mindset now as adults because we are saying we want older men because guess what? Our we used to from we are grew up. Nobody not really in our circle or a stand up in our neck to say, so and so this is wrong from right.
Unicorn, let us stop being hypocritical. And some you are 17 years old and you know the age, you are going to school and you know the age of an adult. And you know that having sex is something that adults engage in. Now, you so when you are going to school, you heard that schoolboy money done for Friday and you are big man or whatever, and somebody you heard that, right? Probably a lot of people on the life probably hear that, but they still never did choose no big man and whatever and stuff because me really never did exposed to that to just say me want a big man. If me have a little school boyfriend, me have no business look for a big man and at 17 years old, you never say something is clearly wrong with you. You could sign paper, you could sign any document. Legally, your parents would still need to be signing things for you and still would need to go to school. And you never see a 17-year-old if something was wrong. Are you telling me that you're dumb?
No, I'm
not disrespecting you, but I'm just saying.
I'm going to think out of the box and know say this is wrong if it was normal.
Well,
so you're telling me everybody that you were going to school with was talking to a big man and living with big man?
It's not about everybody that I was going to school with. It was the community. It was where I was. Nobody said anything.
It doesn't matter, but you are 17 years old. Are you telling me at 17 years old you don't know wrong from right?
Kimmy, stop. Kimmy,
Stop.
Kimmy,
It's brief.
hold on. Let me say something about what you want to say?
Because we like
Hold on, Kimmy.
prophecy. And you tell me a 17-year-old you don't know wrong from right?
Hold on, Kimmy.
So much on can't talk one time, please. One at a time.
Listen, me I go school. Me don't know which year you want to go school. I graduate from high school. But what you say? Hold on. What you say? School girl. In a year time, I don't know which time is your time. Me left school from 96. In my time, school girl no want a school boy. Pay a big man.
Because the big man
no money. We're hard to get a school girl. When you look for them, you have disciples to some end cover bus, doctor them, pay a big man. Because them say, oh, our lunch money in our last class 12. You understand? So, Unico have a point. You understand? So, a lot of young girls in them time, they gravitated to the big man, them we can take care of them.
I know too.
You understand? Right. So, I'm not going to bash her and say, oh, she not going to have nobody and all that. It's just the moment at the time where people, where them are going.
Fine.